Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be finish off putting everything back together on the engine, and I'm going to be possibly giving it a test run as well. Just going to be putting the rocker arms back on, bolting them down, putting the head cover back on, and putting all these, installing the new water pump and timing belt, and then putting everything back together, and we should be able to then get it started, start putting the rocker cover arm on, the rocker arm on, bolt down the rocker arms, and then that should be everything there. I can put the head on, and then I can begin working on the water pump down there. Oh no, there it is. Switching that water pump out, and then putting on the, setting the timing, and we should be all good. Head's back on, rocker cover's back on. I actually may have to take this back off to put on the new timing belt, but what I'm going to do now is put on the new water pump, as well as set the timing and put the timing belt back on. So I've got new kit here, and timing belt, as well as the tensioner. So what I'm going to put on first is take the old water pump off, so it's just, let me just get this out. So to get the old water pump off, it's just a few screws, 3 bolts, about I think 4 bolts, and then we can put this new one on. So I'm going to go ahead and try and fit in here, here, and replace this water pump with the new one. Old one is out. It's definitely a bit worn. The gasket, make sure you put it the right way. Sometimes you can put a bit of grease on there to stop it from coming out, but this one I don't really need to. Alright, so I've made sure this is top dead center as well as the crank is timed up correctly. So I'm going to put on the new just gonna start putting everything else on, so the intake and exhaust manifold back on, everything, and then I'm gonna then top it up with some brand new oil, put new coolant in, and then I'll just go over everything, make sure everything's all in place, and I should be able to then start it up. Pretty much everything's all back together now. So oil's in, coolant, and I've checked over everything else, everything's all plugged in. So what I'm going to do now is, before I try and start it, I'm just going to go ahead and put on the exhaust, and then I think I have to put on the steering bolt, and then we should be good to go ahead and try and start it. seems to be starting fine, but what I'm going to do is put all the wheels on and then I'll take it out and give it a good run. So I got the car all washed up. You can see it cleaned up nicely, so I just cleaned it up, washed it up. Well, I was going to take it for a drive, but the suspension's sitting funny, so I don't want to drive on that. So I'm just going to wait till I get my new coils, so I'm waiting on them, and then I'll be able to drive it. So I washed it, because next time we're just going to be working on here, fixing this here, so body filler and painting it. Let's see, and then painting any other little bits that need painted, as well as filling in these holes and the wiper hole as well. Just put the tape on there to stop water getting in when I was washing. Yeah, oh, on that side as well, I gotta sort that out as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the next video. So that's all I'm going to be doing in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.